Hi guys, in this video we're taking a look at the City Sling bag from Xiaomi. The City Sling is a super light, compact sling style bag from Xiaomi, designed to be small and easy to carry, while still having enough space inside for all of the things you need to carry on a daily basis. The one I have here is the dark grey version, but there's also a lighter grey version available if that's what you prefer. Since this is a sling bag, there's only a single strap, which is well padded at the shoulder and it's easily adjustable. It can also be detached from the bag at the bottom by opening this clip. There's a single exterior zipped pocket on the front, which is a little too small for a cell phone, but it's just the right size for smaller items like a power bank and your USB cables. The main compartment has a double zip that goes all the way around the top and halfway down the sides, making it very easy to open and access the interior, which is lined with this really nice aqua coloured material. Inside you have another zipped pocket, which is ideal for valuables or important documents like passports. At the back there's a single big pocket, which is too small for a laptop, even a small ultrabook, but it's the perfect size for a small tablet like the iPad mini, where it's also protected from knocks by the padding on the back of the bag. The main compartment is perfect for things like books, and there's a third pocket which is just the right size for your cell phone and your wallet. I love the simple, clean design of this bag and was seriously impressed by the quality. Considering the low price, I was expecting it to feel cheap and flimsy, but was pleasantly surprised by the materials and the build quality. It actually feels really sturdy and well made. Despite the small size, you can actually fit a lot more in there than you might imagine. If you're looking for a small, lightweight bag for everyday use, and you don't need to carry a laptop or a lot of other stuff around with you, the Xiaomi City Sling is a cheap, well-made and stylish option. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.